Hello everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you forget to put window masks on your body. Well, what you see in front of you is the Proline Supra body. This is one of their newest releases. This body is for the drag race car. And as you can see from the video, I have forgotten to put the window masks in the body. Now, this is something that happens to a lot of people. You get in a hurry and you forget. And most people would think that this is a ruined job because you don't have your windows properly masked, but I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Now, what's here on the table is a black piece of vinyl. Now, this is a product that's made by Top Flite. Unfortunately, they have discontinued this particular piece, but you can use regular black vinyl, which you can buy at Hobby Lobby. You can also buy at Michael's. It's for vinyl cutting material, and when you do that type of vinyl, you're going to find a ton of choices in color available. So black won't be the only color. You might find a gunmetal, you might find a chrome. And so this could be a way to really make lemonade out of lemons and dress up your body in a different way. Now, how we're going to get this vinyl into the shape for the windows is very simple. We're going to use the window masks that came with the body. So these window masks are already cut, and what we're going to do is we're just simply going to stick these to the back of this vinyl, and then we will cut them out and place them on the body just like they were window stickers. Now, when we're sticking these onto the back of our vinyl, we're going to start with the largest pieces first. So let's start by getting this body out of the way and flipping this upside down. Now, our largest mask is our rear window. So we'll just peel this off and we'll very simply stick this to the back of our vinyl. I like to start kind of at the very end here and stick this down. And be careful to get this flat. You do want it to be the actual size. You want to try and avoid creases. Now, next we will get the front window. We'll do the same thing. We'll stick this down on our vinyl and we'll just keep working one piece at a time. Now, there are some vinyl cut masks here for the headlight material, but we won't need this because unfortunately we can't fix that enough to where the light will really shine through the body. So if LEDs are part of your plan, unfortunately I don't have a fix for you there. Now, the next thing we'll do is take a regular pair of scissors and we'll just cut this out. Now, when making our cuts, I do like to cut these into smaller pieces so that they will be more manageable and easier to work with. And now we'll just kind of follow the vinyl mask that's here and cut out our shape. So now that that's cut out, you can see we have a window sticker, which we can now place on the body. If we bring our body back in here, this is going to be our new window sticker, which we'll place here on the back of the model. So we'll just peel this off and stick this on. Now that we're ready to stick this on here, we'll just line up these edges. Take your time when lining up these edges, just like you would do if you're putting your window masks on. And try to avoid bubbles. So you see I'm wiping in kind of a left to right direction here, just slowly seating this down, trying to avoid air bubbles in our new sticker here. And you see I have really taken the time to go slow here. And now we have a back window. So our next step is of course to continue cutting out the rest of the shapes. So since I don't want you to have to sit here and wait on me to cut all that out, I will come back as soon as I have all the windows done. All right, now that I have the last piece of vinyl to install here, I wanted to give you a tip that if you start to install this vinyl, and you get it kind of crooked, so you see this is a crooked installation, it doesn't line up here at the top row. You want to try and avoid slowly peeling these up, because what happens is you'll stretch the vinyl. So instead, kind of give this a pop. When you give it a pop like that, it will pull the vinyl off of the body and prevent you from stretching it so that it will fit properly and you won't have to retrim or recut. So just like we did before, we'll really take our time here and get this properly lined up. And we work from one side to the other, slowly applying the vinyl. You see I'm getting a crease right here. So that crease, we want to give it a pop and pull it out nice and straight so that we can avoid those creases and get a nice clean installation here. Just work slow from left to right here. Now you see we have a little bit of a crooked install. So this we will give that one of those quick little pops there so that we can pull that back off and get that installed correctly. So don't pull slow, give it some quick pops. So we don't stretch the vinyl. Now if you struggle to get this installed, you can always line it up in different places. So the first time I tried to line it up on this front edge, the second time I tried to line it up on the back edge, now we'll try to line it up on the bottom. Now we'll work from bottom to top, slowly creeping up here, trying to avoid those air bubbles and creases in the installation of our sticker. So now you can see that we actually have windows of different colors here all the way around the body. So that is one of the easiest ways to fix the problem of I forgot to put the window masks in the body before I painted it. Well guys, I hope you can see how easy it is to fix the problem of forgetting to put window masks on your body. And if you have benefited from this video in any way, please consider giving me a thumbs up and a subscription, as well as don't forget to hit that bell. I do mention this in all of my videos. If you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified when the new content comes out. So make sure you go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for this one, and I hope to see you in the next one.